Do you want to know how you can log into your Sodexo Childcare account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Sodexo Childcare account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and go to the Google search bar to search for Sodexo Childcare login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Sodexo Motivations.uk. Go ahead and write down your username, your password, and then click login. This way you can log in to your Sodexo Childcare account, also known as Sodexo Childcare vouchers. Go ahead and go to Google and search for Sodexo Childcare login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. Now write down your username and password associated to Sodexo Childcare vouchers and then click login. This way you can successfully log in to your Sodexo Childcare vouchers account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.